Met a wholesaler at foreclosure auction recently, has 4 properties under contract, not distressed, off market. Seller wants quick sale. How do I go about terms to make it work? Well, okay, I'm going to make some assumptions here, Tyree. These 4 properties are under contract. They're not distressed. They're off market. If they're in good shape, why does the seller want a quick sale? That's the first thing that I would want to know. Why? Why are they trying to sell them? What's the problem? Okay, then what is the financing on each of these properties? Are they each individually financed? Is it a package deal? If you can get that seller to do some seller financing with you, people ask about package deals, and I say you have to look at each property as an individual property. You have to look at each one as an individual deal. Property A, B, C, and D. Okay, what will this rent for? What are the payments on it? What can I make off of it? And you have to treat them that way. You'll just have to structure those terms depending on what your exit strategy is. Are you going to seller finance them? Are you going to rent them out? It just depends. It really does. Is the seller, the key to the whole thing is, why does the seller want to sell, and what does the underlying financing look like? Those are the things that you'll have to find out. Now, if you can deal directly with the seller, and that's all we do when we talk to wholesalers, we don't go through wholesalers to buy subject to. If I have a wholesaler that has potential sub 2, they bring it to me. I'll say, okay, this looks good. We'll add you into the contract for your fee, and that's the way we handle it. But we never go through the wholesaler. Set up a conversation with the seller, talk to them, find out what all the terms are and the financing on the properties, and then make a deal with your wholesaler to pay them a fee for bringing you the deals. That's the way I would handle that one. Hey guys, thanks for watching. While you're here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out these other great videos and podcast episodes.